covered up the hole, screwed them in. No more mouses. We had a talk. I told them go out that way if you need to. Don't try to go out through the other door or try to come in through here anymore. There's a way out and a way in. I made a deal. You can do what you like. Crawl through, use it as a pathway through, but don't stay in here. Alright, so the request was to put some type of shoe storage in this thing for the wife. And this is the rack situation here. It says you can fit 30. I like that it's flexible, and I like that I could take it out because it's coming out later. But anyways, to make her happy, it's kind of messed up here. There's a wire in here, but it's bendable, and with the contour of the roof it's going to be a little difficult, and then it gets shallower on the backside here. So I mean, you can still fit a pair of flip-flops in there, and this thing kind of screwed up the space, but you can still reach in there. I mean, maybe the flip-flops and the flats and the Chinese slippers all go in here, and then all the designer stuff goes down here, like the stilettos and pumps and whatever. But yeah, shoe storage for the wife. Ghetto, but hey, it contours and I don't have to cut it out, and it's removable, damn it, and it works. So whatever you can make work, and it doesn't take long, and it costs close to nothing, do it. I'm gonna have to find a way to put it up here and hang it, because I just hung it off of that right there, and it works. Suck it. Look at the size of that crack. Gonna do some more puttying. Check your cracks, guys. You don't want to have to get new doors, because once these go, these fail. New door time. Changed my mind with this. I had it as a closet. Now I have it as a little pantry. Hope the lighting's okay. Now it's a little pantry. I got storage here, more storage, so some shelving, and then Blue Eddy sits at the bottom. I'm wiring everything in the back to go up, and if I hit the switch, grab my little remote, boom. So I'm thinking about putting an aquarium here now and putting tropical fish and maybe a baby shark. Subscribe.